Today we will show you how to create Gmail account with a phone number in Android. Here just click create account and here put your name, and if you want you can put your last name. Okay, click next and here put your birth date and here put your gender. Okay, click next. Here you can choose an email. Okay, here put your password and you can put hard or easy password. You have to choose. Click next. And here click next to and put down and okay, click accept. Yeah, and here we will wait a few seconds to be waiting, and after this we will see a good Gmail account without anything. Thank you for watching the video and just click subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.